How to set up your T206-C. This video will show you step-by-step how to set up and program your T206-C timer. Button Overview. Program Set button. Set program, confirm selection. Dash button. Adjust hour, minute. Adjust PSW characters. Setting selection. Reset button. Plus button. Adjust hour, minute. Adjust PSW characters. Setting selection. Start pause button. Turn system on, off. Start pause countdown. Isolation switch. Resetting the system. To fully reset this unit, press the recessed reset button with an insulated blunt probe. Press and hold simultaneously the dash and set buttons for 10 seconds to reset the device to its default settings. Default settings. Password 1234. Default boost time 4 hours. Default step time quarter of an hour. A full display will show when the device reverts to the default screen. Default settings. When the T206-C is first connected to the power, it will automatically operate on the default settings. Default settings. Password 1234. Boost time 4 hours. Step 15 minutes. A full display will show when the device reverts to the default screen. Note: when the power is switched off, the timer will automatically revert to the last saved programmed setting. If no new program has been set, the device will revert back to its default settings. Operating boost within default settings. 1. Press and hold the Set button to set the required boost time. The display will increase by 15-minute increments, 4 hours max. 2. Release the Set button when the desired time is shown. The time limit is now set. 3. Press the Start button to start or pause the countdown. Note: pressing the Start button to pause the timer when the timer is running will turn the power off until Start is pressed again. To reset the boost timer to full boost time, turn the isolation switch off and on again. Note: the on indicator will flash 2 minutes before the timer ends. 00:00. The timer will stop automatically if the default settings are changed. Programming for individual requirements. Changing the password. 1. Using plus or minus, select PSW and then press Set to confirm. 2. Using plus or minus, change the first digit as required and then press Set to move on to the second digit. Repeat this step for all 4 digits. 3. Pressing Set after the 4th digit will revert the timer to operating mode. The password must be entered before any programming changes can be made. Setting the timer. 1. Using plus or minus, select the Step setting and press Set to confirm. 2. Using plus or minus, select the desired step time, i.e., 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour, and press Set to confirm. 3. Using plus or minus, select CDT and press Set to confirm. 4. Using plus or minus, select the desired boost hours, maximum of 23 hours, and press Set to confirm. Note: settings will revert back to default operating mode if no buttons are pressed within 60 seconds. If plus or minus is held for more than 2 seconds, the selected digit will decrease quickly. Settings will return to operating mode immediately if the Set button is held for more than 2 seconds. Note: the timer will automatically reset to the last saved program setting if the device loses power. The setting will not be saved if the mains power goes off whilst programming. The timer will reset to default settings if no new program has been successfully input.